Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to Sparkle Faith and Glam. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ashley Sparkle. If you did not know, now you know. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Vault Palette, Armed and Gorgeous, and this is the look I came up with. I'll be doing looks for every palette. One at a time. It'll be a little series. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell because you want to be part of the notification squad. Alright, so as you can see, I already did my face and my eyebrows. So this is what Armed and Gorgeous looks like. When I got the first vault, I didn't get to test this one out. I didn't swatch them or anything because I was planning on doing videos with them. So I'm going to start with the transition color. We're going to go in with Access. I love that the names are in the front of the palette. I barely tapped in and that's what I got. It seems really smooth. I can already tell that they're creamy and they're easy to blend. At least this color is. And I'll show you the fallout too. I didn't really get any fallout. That was like with the little bit of color that I just picked up. That's what the brush looks like before dusting it. And that's what it looks like after dusting it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the eye. Oh dang, maybe I didn't go in that heavy. Alright, we're gonna go one more time. So I swirled it like twice. Yeah, that's right, because I only swirled it once the first time. That's what the fallout looks like. This is what the brush looks like. I feel like they're blending out pretty well. Even look, if I want to bring it that far out. And then I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in. Alright, I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you guys can get like a better view. But as you can see, it's pretty blended. It blended out pretty well for me. So next we're going to go into Top Secret, which is the green. I'm going to go in with the same brush. And I will show you the fallout. Oh, that's the fallout. That's the brush. And we're gonna bring this a little lower. That was a lot of pigment. I think that's better. Alright, so I went ahead and put that in. There was a lot of pigment on there. I'm gonna go in with this little brush here, and this is IBI Beauty. And I'm gonna go back in with the yellow and put some up here. And we're gonna go in with the Top Secret and just go a little deeper. I'm gonna take a small little pencil brush and just blend that out. I don't know how I feel about this look just yet, but we'll see. So this time I'm gonna go in with a smaller, tighter brush. I'm gonna go in back in with this pencil brush, and I'm gonna do that. Went back in with the yellow, or I'm sorry, with Access. We're gonna take a clean brush and just blend those two colors together. Next, we're gonna go in with, I wanna go in with Guilt Trip. Ooh, it's soft. Oh, that's creamy. That is creamy. That just changed my life right there. And that disperses really well. I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy brush and blend this out. So same thing, I'm gonna go in with Guilt Trip. I am in love. So next, we're gonna go in with Access. We're gonna just it under our eye. All right, once you got the yellow on, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the tight brush like this one and go in with Top Secret. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and pop some gold down here also. So I went ahead and zoomed you guys out so I can do my eyeliner. So Jaclyn and Morphe said that we're going to be getting gifts with the vault for the people that purchased in Vegas, and they came through. So we got the jet eyeliner. We got the continuous setting spray, which I love, so I'm glad we got it. And then we even got highlight in extra. What it looks like. Super pretty. I think I will wear that today. You guys, I love this eyeshadow. It's really pretty. I am in love. Okay, anyways, I'm getting off subject. I suck at eyeliner, as most of you know. We are going to we're gonna use my eyebrow brush. I'm nervous because I don't want to mess up my whole eye look because of freaking eyeliner, but I want to use it, so. Okay, we're gonna try this brush. That came out so sharp, like, come through. Like, how did your girl even do that? Like, how am I supposed to do this one now? There's pressure. There's so much pressure. The pressure is real. Should I?
20 minutes later.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done with the freaking eye too. Okay, so I love the Morphe eyeliner. Like, this side got so crisp, but I don't know what happened in this eye. Next, we're gonna do highlights. And we're gonna go in with the highlight I got from Morphe, called Extra. We're gonna go in with this little brush here, and this is the M510. I'm gonna go in with this little fill and tame and just put it on my eyebrows. It's Makeup Forever. It came in my Ipsy. It's just a color pencil. Like, you can use it like for anything. And it's in whatever walnut. So we're just gonna line our lips. putting a chapstick over the liner. So we're just gonna go on with white in our eyes. We're gonna go on with mascara. So anyways, my lashes, I like hate all of them right now. This one came out so bad. I mean, you can't really tell unless you're like super up close. Like, get on my face if you're that close. No, I'm just kidding. No, I feel like you could tell. So I ordered some lashes because all the lashes I have, I don't like. Now that I'm like, I can kind of get the hang of it, of putting them on. Now I just want some ones that I could wear, like, you know? All right, then next we're gonna use our settings. And then I like to just fan it out. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I zoomed you guys into the eyeshadow, like me doing it, just so you guys can see. Like, honestly, there wasn't much fallout. The colors are beautiful. I love that it has the mirror in it. I loved it overall. I've always wanted an olive green eyeshadow, and this is a perfect olive green eyeshadow because the other one I have, once you blend it out, it kind of looks like dirty and muddy, and this one I feel like it keeps its color. It doesn't look muddy, it doesn't look dirty. So yeah, that was my final thought on them. Comment down below, tell me your thoughts on the palette and just on my look, and let me know what you guys think. And then if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can be part of our glam squad. And then of course also, if you're subscribed, you might as well turn on your bell notifications so you can see every time I post. And that's it. Yes, so I will see you guys next time. Peace.